What's going on, y'all? It's Turning Wheels. I'm in a 2021 Chevrolet Express van. We have the Otofix D1. I'm going to see what type of different functions we can do and testing within the body control unit. Just let it load. So there's active tests and special functions. You can do all doors lock, unlock. Establishing the vehicle communication, so it's just loading, it's communicating with the Bluetooth VCI. You can do all doors lock, driver door unlock, passenger door. We'll do all doors lock, let it send the command, and then as you hear, they all got locked. And then you can do driver door unlock, and then you can give it a second, and then you can do passenger door unlock. So it's testing the switches and the motors and stuff like that, and the actuators. Let's do escape. So it'll tell you inactive. Oh, it's still kind of loading. Give it a second, guys. There we go. Escape. So it's exiting the procedure. Exterior lighting. You can test all your lighting: center stop lamp, daytime running lamp, left front turn signal, park lamps, high beams, front fog lamps, different bulbs. Interior lighting, you can do the courtesy lamps, incandescent dimming, LED backup dimming, the generator regulator set point, so the set point for the alternator, power mode, wiper, shift lock solenoid, the horn relay. What does power mode do? Accessory, retained accessory power relay, auxiliary ignition, run relay, run crank relay. We don't want to test those because it's running just fine. But if you needed to troubleshoot those items, you could. Let's see. Special function, brake pedal position sensor, learn. Let's go into engine control module and see what kind of special tests and functions there is. Active test, AC compressor clutch relay, compression test, engine speed throttle, fuel system, misfire graphic, oxygen sensor heater, starter relay, ignition controls, ignition relay, the evap system. So if you're back there in the back, you can check the vent solenoid valve. I believe you can open or close it to have vacuum pressure. Let's check it out. It's venting. So you can change it from venting to not venting. You can do not venting right here. Give it a second. It'll do the bidirectional controls. And then you can do venting, put it right back on. And they'll tell you if you have an open circuit or low voltage, the evap purge solenoid. So if I press on the gas, this number should go up. Or I believe it has to be not venting for the purge solenoid to be valve command. Now when I press on the gas, it kind of goes up some. So then it tells you your wiring's good, remaining fuel tank, 15 gallons, fuel level sensor, 1.5 volts, fuel tank pressure sensor, the PSI and the voltage, engine speed, the idle speed, coolant temperature sensor, cold startup. Let's tell you your fuel trims, 5-volt reference, evap malfunction history, unrecognized state. You can also do the evap service bay test. The vehicle has to be cold to be able to do that one. You can purge or seal the system. You can do the purge valve. Let's see, engine speed and throttle. You can do a throttle sweep, throttle position, engine speed. Let's see, the check engine light, malfunction indicator light. Let's go see. Control units. Let's see, you can do the instrument cluster. Let's see, give it a second. Let's do active test. You can do an instrument cluster gauge sweep. So you can do active, and then give it a second, and then they should sweep. And then now they're back in their position. So we'll do inactive. And then now the gauges are in their proper position. And then it says it right here, the instrument cluster. We'll go to escape. The timing belt life reset. I did not even know they had that. Instrument cluster dimming. You can see live data off of there. Front view camera windshield. I don't even know they had that on there. Maybe on some of the ones that have like the radar to where they can stop in the traffic and stuff. Device unable to communicate. So I think this one don't have one. Multi-axis remote control door lock receiver module. Parking assist. Chassis control, theft deterrent. Telematics communication. Oh, let's go back in there. I'm going to remote control door lock receiver module. Active test, key fob button test, special function, add or replace key fobs, copy the tire pressure monitoring information, tire pressure sensor signal, tire type, tire pressure sensors learn. The parking assist, I don't think there's any special functions or any active test. Oh no, there's a special function. The CAN bus configuration learn. The theft deterrent module. Let's see what else there is. So that's all the different modules right here. You can do active tests and special functions. I went into most of them, not all of them, but for the most part, I mean, you get the idea. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you can like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. This is the Otofix D1.